Hello everybody, my name is Ronan Crozier and welcome to this week's Museum on Your Doorstep experiment where we're going to be making Oobleck. Before we get started on our experiment, we want to make sure we have all the right materials. So, in your bag from us this week, all you're going to be getting is a little baggie of cornstarch. Something else you'll need, and the rest of this you can just find at home. You'll have to get some water. We just happen to have a plastic water bottle, but water from the tap will work fine. You'll want to get some measuring cups. You'll want to get a bowl to mix it in and a spoon to mix it with. And that's all we need. In your bag from the museum, you'll find a plastic Ziploc bag with exactly half a cup of cornstarch in it. We're going to take that plastic bag and we're going to pour it into our bowl like this. And then maybe move a little bit of this stuff off the sides into the middle. And next, we're gonna put exactly 1/4 cup of water in with the cornstarch. But you gotta be careful here because if you add too much water, the Oobleck will be too liquidy and it won't do what it's supposed to do. So we wanna add in our water, you know, bit by bit, but with 1/4 cup, we're pretty safe here to kind of just dump it all in. And then we gotta mix it up like this. Can be a bit hard to mix up. Now I'm sure you're all wondering, what is Oobleck? It's a bit of a strange material because it can be both a liquid and a solid at the exact same time. It's different from water because water, although it can be a liquid, a solid, and a gas, it can't be all three at once. Oobleck, though, can be a liquid and a solid at once. It's strange, unique, and quite mysterious. Oobleck becomes a solid when pressed, hit, or shaken, and then returns to its liquid state when the stress is removed. Alright guys, so here's some stuff that you can do with your Oobleck. Squeeze some Oobleck to make a solid, then open your hand and watch the solid turn back into a liquid. The Oobleck will start dripping down in between your fingers. Roll some Oobleck into a ball, open the hand that is holding the ball and watch the solid change into liquid. Create an Oobleck ball and try to pass the ball to someone else before it liquefies. Try bouncing an Oobleck ball on the rest of the Oobleck. Rest your finger on the surface of the Oobleck and let them sink in, and try to pull your fingers out quickly. They might not come out as quick as you think. If you've read Dr. Seuss's book, Bartholomew and the Oobleck, that is where this craft gets its name. The plot of this book is essentially that King Derwin was bored with the weather and he asked his magicians to come up with a spell to solve the problem. The spell causes green Oobleck to fall from the sky. As you can see, Oobleck is pretty messy, or it can be, so we would recommend that you guys put down on whatever surface you're working on some paper towel or some newspaper, but you really don't need to worry because this stuff will wash off your hands easily and your clothes easily with water. So well, I hope you guys had as much fun as I did doing that. If you guys are interested in any other programs or events that are going on at the museum, check us out at www.wellington.ca/museum.